Folks, I am 3 feet away from this pileated woodpecker. Bring in the zoom here a little bit. Recorded on my Android phone at about 1.5 times magnification. As this bird's powerful beak is chipping away at this bark, man. Just decimating the insects in this tree. Check out the brilliant scarlet crown on its head. Powerful talons on those feet. This is a urban park I'm in. I've seen these out in the wild, but never in a setting like this. It's a Scotch pine that this bird is on right here. I could just about reach my arm out at full length right now and pet this thing. Of course I dare not to. Not with that powerful beak. Also pretty impressed with the LG Android zoom here. I'm at 1.6 magnification on the digital zoom. If you go beyond 2 or so, it seems that the image gets pixelated, even using high def resolution. Like this is 3 times magnification right there. It's a little, that's not very clear. But bringing it back to about 1.6 here, really bringing you guys in close. And the image looks crystal clear. So pretty happy with the performance of the Android. Close-up wildlife video recording.